Hi there everybody, my name is Chris and I'm part of the Galileo FX support team. Today I want to show you how to add new symbols or a new chart to your MetaTrader platform. Let's start with MetaTrader 5. As you can see, I already have some charts added in here. They look like this, 6 of them. Now, if you want to add a new symbol or a new currency to trade with, first of all, make sure that your broker offers that specific currency you're looking for. After we've made sure that our broker offers the currency, we go over to view, then we have symbols. And if we open up symbols, it opens up a page for us. Now on this account I only have the Forex currencies, but if your broker offers more, you're going to see Forex, crypto, metal, stock, and everything they offer. So you just select the ones that you want. No, in this case I already have everything added, but that's perfectly fine. The currencies that are not added are going to be grayed out. So this little dollar symbol is going to be grayed out. These are all yellow because they're already added. So basically you will have to select the grayed out currency that you want to trade in, and then click on show symbol. You can close this, and then if you go over to file and new chart, again, it's Forex for me, so it's gonna say Forex, but in your case it might say crypto, metal, or anything else that you've selected. Then you just select the currency and it adds it here. You can click on the arrange window option up here and it automatically arranges it for you. Now the situation is exactly the same for MetaTrader 4. We head over to view, symbols, and again, it's gonna say Forex, it's gonna say crypto, metals, and everything your broker offers. You can see they're gonna look like this, grayed out. So you just select the currency, you click on show, close this, you go to file, a new chart, and you can see it added it here. Now again, in your case, it might say Forex, crypto, metal, or anything the broker offers. So we select it, it opens it up like this. We click the option to arrange windows and it's beautifully stacked up here. That was about it for me for today. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial and catch you guys on the next one. Cheers!